Let's begin with a new study on COVID-19 lockdowns.
Ever since it became clear that COVID-19 was going to be a major problem early in 2020, policymakers trying to decide what to do about it followed some guiding principles. Among them, followed the science. But one of the problems was there wasn't a whole lot of science to tell us what to do about COVID-19. A lot of it was incomplete, inaccurate, sometimes contradictory. Still, one of the policies that was adopted by governments around the world was lockdowns. And now this new study from Johns Hopkins University says that was a bad idea. Basically, it says that there was little to no effect on COVID-19 mortality from these lockdowns, but they also imposed enormous economic and social costs. Among the other things that this study said is that lockdowns were ill-founded and should be rejected as a pandemic policy instrument. This was a study that was done by researchers based at Johns Hopkins University, but it involved researchers in the U.S., Sweden, and Denmark, so this wasn't just a United States-centric finding. One of the things that's interesting has been the response to this. There was one professor from Johns Hopkins who's made a big deal out of the fact that his own university and a lot of media outlets have seemed to put this study to the side, which is a bad news for something that shows lockdowns have such a poor impact.
Has the media slow walked this story?